Assistance Program in Senate and Senators, and the collaboration with the government agencies, public health institution, and the private sector. This is portal where every can submit the request 24/7, making easier for the Filipino to seek help whatever they are. So ito ay ginawa para makatulong sa mga Pilipinong nangangailangan, no. Mas mapabilis yung agarang tulong, no. Kasi kung dadaan pa sa iba mapapatagal, at least ito sa Senado automatic pag pinasa mo, i-review nila, no, agad-agad ma-actionan, no. Medical assistance. This refer to request for medical assistance in coordination with the offices of senator, government agencies, and public health institution. Coverage of assistant. Ito yung coverage ng medical assistant. Hospital bill. Yan. Yung bill nyo sa ospital, pwede nyo ilapit. Laboratories, yung mga laboratories natin dyan na napakamamahal sa damakmak. Diagnostic procedure, di ba? Medicines, yung mga gamot-gamutan natin dyan. Dialysis and hemodialysis. Chemotherapy, chemodrugs. Chemotherapies natin, iba sa chemodrugs. Kasi yung chemodrugs, mahal yun. Yun yung binibili na iniinom for maintenance. Yung chemotherapy, yun yung ginagawa minsan sa isang linggo. Kasi every week yata yung iba. Operation and surgery. So, pwede nyo siyang ilapit sa Senate Assistant or Senate Assist Program. So, helpful talaga itong itong Senate Assistant Program. Nako, napakagaling. Tapos, this refer to request for all non-medical assistance. So, hindi lang pala siya pang medical. So, may iba pang access na pwede kang lumapit. In a coordination with Office of Senator, other government agencies, and their partnership with private sector, social assistance. So, hindi lang siya pang medical, pwede din pala siya sa social assistance. Kind of social assistance, meron tayong education. So, yung education is not available for this site. No, hindi pa siya available, pero we wish na sana magkaroon na sila ng social assistance for education, no? Sunod, legal. So, yung mga legal advice, yung mga legal na kailangan natin, no, pwede tayong humingi ng tulong sa kanila. Burial, kung may patay, hindi kayang ipalibing, no, kung may babayaran sa kabaong. So, meron sila. Balik, provincial program or transportation, humans remains, no, pwede kang bumalik sa probinsya, yung namatay na may gusto mong pauwiin dito, wala kang pamasahe,